In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in DocuSign before sending it. Whether you're new to digital document signing or just looking to streamline your process, this step-by-step guide is designed to make things simple and clear. Let's dive right into it. To start, you'll need to go to your DocuSign homepage. Once you're there, look for the option that says Start, or go to the Agreements section, where you'll see an option labeled Start Now. Clicking on this will open up a new pathway for you to upload and prepare your document for signing. This is where the journey begins, so don't hesitate to explore and familiarize yourself with the interface if it's your first time. Next, you're going to need the document that needs a signature. Make sure you've got the file ready on your computer. You'll be prompted to upload it from your device. Simply click on the Upload button and select the relevant document. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct file just to ensure that the right document gets signed. Once your document has been uploaded, the next step involves entering some important details. Here, you'll need to input your name and email address. If you plan to send the document to someone else, you can add their email and name as well. DocuSign also offers the option to include a subject line and a personal message for the email that will accompany the signed document. Adding a clear subject line and a warm message can personalize the experience and make it more efficient for whoever receives the document. After filling in this information, go ahead and click Next to proceed. Now comes the part where you can set the stage for the actual signing process. You'll see an area labeled Standard Fields that contains different fields you can drag to the appropriate places on your document. These fields can be used to specify where signatures are needed. They can also mark areas for names, addresses, and other important data. Take your time here to ensure everything is in the right place. It's crucial to make sure each field aligns correctly with where you want the recipient to input their information. Once everything is set, review your document one last time to ensure all the fields are correctly placed and you've included everything needed. If you're satisfied, you're ready to move to the final step. Click Send, and just like that, you're done. This process not only simplifies signing, but also makes it highly efficient and convenient. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with each document, you'll only get better at navigating through DocuSign. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to rewind this video if you need to revisit any of the steps. Happy signing!